Hello friends, welcome back. I am CA Rehman Bhavani. Today we are going to discuss about KEC International Limited. KEC International Limited is the flagship company of RBG Group. It was founded by Dr. R.P. Goenka, and this company was established in the year 1979. And this group has several companies in diverse sectors, including Zenzer Technologies, SEAT, KEC International, and RPG Life Sciences. KEC International Limited is in the business of engineering, procurement, and construction. It has footprints in more than 100 countries, and the work undertaken by them includes EPC, which is engineering, procurement, and construction, and also supply of towers and cables. They have 8 manufacturing plants across India, Dubai, Brazil, and Mexico. 50% of the business comes from outside India. 25% of India's railway tracks has been electrified by KEC. And KEC is also into the projects of solar, oil and gas pipeline, cables, and smart infra projects. Now let us see who are the shareholders of KEC International. We are on BSE's website. First, we'll see how much the promoter and promoter group are holding shares in the company. This data is as on June 2020. So here we can see that individuals and HUF are cumulatively holding 1.98% share in the company, which includes 15 individuals, including Harsh Vardhan Goenka and other family members. And apart from this 1.98%, there are other companies which are holding shares in the company. Swallow Associate LLP is holding 26.36%. Sumit Securities Limited is holding 10.86%. Instant Holding Limited is holding 8.56%. Stel Holding Limited is holding 1.95%. Carnival Investment Limited is holding 1.16%. Apart from this, other companies are holding less than 1% share in the company, and cumulatively they all hold 51.66% share in the company. Now let us look at other shareholders of the company. 20 mutual fund companies are holding 22.77% share in the company, which includes HDFC Trustee Company, which holds 9.25% share in the company. Kotak Standard Multi Cap Fund holds 3.19% share. Aditya Birla Sun Life holds 2.95% share in the company. IDFC Sterling Value Fund is holding 2.36%. Reliance Capital Trustee Company Limited is holding 2.31%. UTI Value Opportunities Fund is holding 1.08% in the company. And there is foreign portfolio investor. In total, there are 115 foreign portfolio investors who are cumulatively holding 8.79% share in the company, which includes Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, which is holding 1.12% share in the company. And also, in total, there are 10 insurance companies. Cumulatively, they are holding 4.38% share in the company, which includes LIC of India, which is holding 2.74% share in the company. And also, 2 foreign banks are holding very negligible amount in the company. That's why it is showing 0. And also, there are 2,271 NRIs who are holding 0.39% share in the company. Friends, this is cumulative figures. So all this total comes to 48.34% share in the company. Now let us look at the last 5 years income statement of the company. We will be looking at last 5 years starting from 2016 till 2020. Friends, all these figures are in crore of rupees. So in 2016, the sales was 8,517. In 2017 it was 8,584. In 2018 it was 10,058. In 2019 it was 11,000. In 2020 it was 11,965. So you can see it is continuously growing. Now let us also look at the profit figures. So the profit was 147, 304, 460, 486 and 565. So profit also is continuously increasing, but the only problematic factor is interest. You can see in 2016 the interest which is being paid by the company is 279 crores. In 2017 it was 253 crores. In 2018 it was 246 crore. In 2019 it was 311 crore. In 2020 it was 307 crores. So this interest figure is also increasing, which is a bad sign. Now let us also see the quarterly figures. So if you see last 5 quarters starting from June 2019, in June 2019 the sales was 2412. In 2019 September it was 2808. In 2019 December it was 3073. In March 2020 it was 3671, and in June because of COVID the sales has come down to 2206. Also the profits was 88 crores, 139 crores, 144 crore, 192 crore, and in June because of COVID it came down to 70 crores. Also the interest, there it was 79, 82, 81, 65, 66. So you can see the company is making only 70 crore of profit and it is also paying 66 crore of interest. Now let us look at the return ratios. So return on net worth is continuously increasing from 11.45%, then 19.21%, 23%, 20% and 20%. So from here it is been stable at around 20%. And return on capital employed is also increasing from 7.30%, 12.12%, 15.98%, 33.61% and 34.82%. So this returns are very good and this is a positive sign for the company. But let us see some more figures. So this figure I have taken from the latest annual report of the company. In 2019, the total borrowings in current liabilities were 1155 crores, but in 2020 it rose to 1909 crores, which is an alarming figure because the borrowings are increasing, the loans are increasing for the company, and if the loans are increasing, the interest which the company will pay will also increase. Let us also look at debt equity ratio. Those of you who don't know what is debt equity ratio, I'll just tell you in brief. Debt equity. So debt equity ratio simply means for 1 rupee of equity, how much loans the company has taken. So in 2020, if the figure of debt equity ratio is 0.74, that simply means, so for every 1 rupee in equity, the company has taken a loan of 0.74, which is a very big amount actually. So friends, the returns are very good for the company. If you look only at the returns on capital or return on equity, but if you also look at the interest component which the company is paying and the debt which the company has, the growth of the company may be hindered as per my understanding. Friends, I have made this video only for educational purposes to show you the facts and figures of the company. If you have any questions or any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section. And if you like my video, do hit the like button, share it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon so that you will receive all the future notifications of my videos. Thank you for watching.